Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Seasoned Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, thank you so much for choosing to come and check us out. If you are returning, thank you so much, your girl really does appreciate it. Either way, if you are not subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and there's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, while you're in that general vicinity, go ahead and hit that notifications bell. Become a part of the notification gang, notification squad. So that way, you'll be the first to know each and every time a new video is uploaded. Well, our video on today, I'm excited about this box. I'm telling you, we are going to unbox the Allure Beauty Box. And this month, they are collaborating with Huda herself. So we're just going to jump right in. And while we're opening the box, I just want to tell you, for those of you who are not familiar with the Allure Beauty Box, it's $15 per month, and you get up and coming trending products, collaborations. Most of the time they are sample sizes with some deluxe sample, and every now and then they even throw in a couple full-size products. Okay, now after you see this box, if you would like to become a part of the Allure family, there's a link below, right down there. And if you subscribe with that link, you'll get a special gift as well as your first box for $10. Okay, let's go ahead and jump in. Oh, now this is new. When we usually get our Allure box, we don't see all of this, but this time it says, with passion and purpose, every dream is possible. Huda Kattan of Huda Beauty. Okay, and the first thing we get is their little pamphlet. It says inside the box, the first page says lessons learned, and it gives you information about all of the goodies that are inside of this box. It gives you some tips and on shaping perfect brows. Okay, I can use that. 3 new ways to use texturizing spray, and some information about Huda and the products that are part of her line. All right, now let's just go ahead and jump in. First of all, Allure Beauty Box exclusive Huda Beauty Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Alluring. How about this? They created this just for this box. Check it out. That is gorgeous packaging. The only place you can get this shade is the Allure Beauty Box. Now when I take the plastic alluring cover off, it says, there's the lipstick, and it says Huda Liquid Matte. Huda Beauty loves Allure. Can you see that? Okay, y'all, we're swatching this right now. Oh, now see, that is a true red. True red. Look at that. It may even be showing up a little orange on camera, but this is true red. And that is beautiful. Beautiful. Look, okay, finally, I've been dying to tell you about the stunning orange red lip color that we created with Huda Beauty for your July beauty box. As in, you can only get this tube of bright matte summer perfection right here. If you decide you would like to get another Huda lipstick, we have a 25% off code enclosed, and it is valid until August the 31st. Okay. See, Huda is no joke. She is no joke. Nice. And these are the Samantha No. 7 Classic. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Packaging is gorgeous. Product is gorgeous. Manufacturer suggested retail price is $20. Then there is also Kaoli, which is a sample of the cologne that she's created with her sister. And the notes that are in it are vanilla orchid, tonka absolute, brown sugar, amber woods, and musk. It smells pretty nice. I'm just not a big vanilla person. Huda and her sister Mona launched Kaoli fragrances together, and the line's velvety vanilla scent is one very decadent perfume. It's like cake batter for the most luxurious wedding cake. Okay, now the manufacturer suggested retail price for a full size 50 mLs is $65, and for the full size 100 mLs it's $118. However, we do also have a promo code for 25% off. I'm telling you, it's worth getting the box. The next item that we have is by Cabral. Okay. And this one is rich buildable color. They call this the mini. I'm sure that you're all familiar with the Benefit Cabral series. Now with this one, of course, when you take it off, the brow brush is in the top, and we put it back together for this beautiful packaging here. Now Cabral is his other brow products require delicate artistry, but this cream gel couldn't be easier to use. Swipe it on with the cap's built-in brush, and its buildable waterproof formula builds up brows and sets them in just a few strokes. Okay, a full-size product is $25, and it can be purchased at benefitcosmetics.com. The next item that we have is OI, and this is the texturizing hairspray. Jen Atkins, the hairstylist behind OI, is a master of full, sultry waves. So it makes perfect sense that her texturizing spray would be the best of its kind. Okay, now the manufacturer suggested retail price on a full size is $28, and Allure has given us a 15% off on your purchase. Okay, then our next item is by Tony Moly. This mask is infused with snail mucus. The slimy stuff actually shockingly feels cooling and hydrating on a hot summer's day. Okay, right now I just want to say no thank you, but I'm just going to go ahead and let you know the manufacturer suggested retail price for one mask, just one, is $10. And you can receive a 20% off any full price item with a code from Allure. Okay, now, oh, beautiful. I'm sorry, y'all. I just jumped the gun and went right in. This is the way that our items come packaged now. I have put all of the products back inside. Today we received 6 items. We also received a exclusive limited time code so that we can visit shophudabeauty.com for summer's most alluring offer and receive 25% off on your total. We also received a sneak peek, which I will link up here somewhere, of what's coming in next month's box, so you'll have a sneak peek, so you'll know if you're ready to join and receive what that gift will be. It's getting a little warm in here, y'all, so we're wrapping this up right now, and I would just like to say I thank you so much for choosing to spend time with me on today. And remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.